tawag nila sa'yo? How do they call you?
Nicolo.
Nicolo pala. Okay, Nicolo. Okay, Nicolo. Ang ganda-ganda mo naman. Napaka-shining, shimmering mo naman today. What's your talent?
Dancing.
Dancing. Okay. Lagi ka bang nagsasayaw?
Yes.
Yes, you love dancing in school, in your house? Or sino lagi mong gusto kasama sumaya? Sino ba? Oh, you have a coach! Wow! So you have a coach, so I think you're so good at dancing. Let's do this. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's do this. Male participant 001. Workshop pa more, di ba? Para mas mag-gano'n ka mag-inis ng 5 scenes. Let's do this! Let's have male participant. Okay, tinan natin yung number mo. What's your name? 021. Okay, may dito ka. What's your name? What's your name?
Stephen Kyrie Diliwa.
Kylie?
Kyrie.
Kyrie pala. Oh, Kyrie! Sino kasama mo today?
Kakanta.
Kakanta. Okay, dahil kakanta ka, sino ang favorite mong singer? Sino po ang favorite mo? Sino lagi mong ginagaya?
Yung Mapa singer.
Sino pong singer?
Yung kumanta ng Mapa.
Naintindihan niyo po ba? Sige, ready ka na?
Apo.
Sige, relax lang. Enjoy lang tayo. Male participant 021. Okay, Richard, dito ka muna. Relax ka lang. Okay ka lang ba? Pwede ka ba mag-inhale? Exhale, at saka smile. Ayan, para relax. Okay, so Richard, for today, may tanong ko sa'yo, bakit ka sumali lang as Little Stars? Gusto mo bang ipakita ang talent mo?
Yes po.
You wanna be an artista rin?
Yes po.
Singer?
Yes po.
So today, you're gonna be singing?
Yes po.
Yes po.
Acapella.
Mag-a-acapella siya. Are you ready, Richard?
Yes po.
Okay, let's do this. Male participant 011. Ayan, pera po ng mic.
Sisi.
Highway run into the midnight sun. Wheels go round and round. You're on my mind. Restless hearts sleep alone tonight. Sige, hold the microphone na. Ayan, dito tayo sa gitna. Ayan, dito tayo. Okay, what's your name? Pakilala ka ng sarili mo. Dali, itapat mo yung mic.
Makiling.
Ano po?
Nathan M. Makiling.
Ano, Nathan? Okay, Nathan. Sino po kasama ni Nathan today? Sino po?
Mama.
Si Mama. Okay, what's your talent? Ano po ang talent mo?
Kanta.
Kakanta po. Sino po ang nagturo sa'yo kumanta?
Si Mama.
Si Mama. Gusto mo bang kasama si Mama kumanta? O mama, paano ba yan? Okay, sige. Ready ka na, Nathan? Are you okay? Sige, pwede ka mag-smile? Para mas... Okay, sige. Relax ka lang ha. Enjoy your performance. Okay, huwag kang kakabahan. Enjoy lang tayo. Walang nakakarinig sa'yo. Okay, sige. Ready ka na? Are you ready? Opo. Sige. Let's welcome male participant 023.
I don't wanna act while I going in. No. No, thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for rain. It's a beautiful day, yay. It's a beautiful day, yay. Oh, thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for rain. It's a beautiful day, yay. It's a beautiful day, yay.
Yay! Thank you so much, naman. All right. Wow! Salamat!
We've got talent. We've got
Hang
it
on to
all.
our next one! Wow
Wow
naman, pogi-pogi, naiyak talaga siya! Okay, male participant 027. What's your name? Ayan, don't cover your mouth, anak. Kayo siyang pogi kasi. Come on, pogi daw pala. Okay, what's your name?
Thank you for tired po.
Pakiulit po.
Thank you for tired.
Okay, excited ka na ba ngayon, Jenny?
Yes.
Yes. You know, you're so handsome. Move lang natin yung bangs mo. Sino nagsabing ganyan ang haircut mo? Sino nagupit sa'yo? Sino nagupitan ka ni Daddy? Ni Mami. Mami, nasaan po si Mami? Ayan si Mami. Okay, sige. Anong gagawin mo for today?
Yes.
Magda-dance ka. Ready ka na? Hindi ka naman excited?
I'm scared.
You're scared. Don't be scared. You have to relax. Okay. Pero excited ka na? Okay, ready ka na, ha? Okay, let's do this. Male participant 027.
Totoo ba ang pinarama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. All that ang masaya, nang walang makita ka, nang wala ng pangamba, pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like summer when I'm with you. Parang islang pag-tropiko. Can't wait to go back with you. Sa islang pag-tropiko.
Thank you, Jay. Ayan, ang ganda-ganda naman. The little girl. What's your name?
18 po.
Caitlin. Caitlin? Tama ba?
Opo.
Opo, Caitlyn, ang pretty-pretty naman ni Caitlyn. Caitlyn, may tanong ako sa'yo, why did you join or ba't ka sumali ng SM Little Star?
Kasi po gusto mo matulungan yung mga nanay ko.
Gusto po?
Matulungan yung nanay at tatay.
Okay. So gusto mo rin sila ma-help. At the same time, gusto mong ipakita yung talent mo.
Opo.
What's your talent?
Dancing, singing.
Dancing, singing. So lahat parehas yun gagawin mo today. You're going to sing and dance.
Opo.
Sige. Alright. Sige, let's welcome female participant 014. Sige, relax lang, Caitlyn, ha? Alright, relax, Caitlyn. Sige, ayusin lang natin yung music. Okay, sige. Ayan, Caitlyn, besides sa nagsising and dance ka, you're so pretty kasi. Would you like to be a model then? Use your microphone. Gusto mo rin ba maging model? Gamitin niyo po yung microphone. Ayan, gusto mo rin po ba maging model?
Opo.
Okay. Kagaya nung nandito, girl, tama ba? Opo, sige. Ayan, ready na ang iyong music. Okay, let's welcome once again, female participant 014.
Iba'y mabasang yung tunay na baliwo. Ibang pinapakita, dalawa sa iyong salita. Pero ayoko magduda pagka nagsasimula. Maghihintay na lang na ika'y tumaan. Sana ay maigsa ng aking pangungulila. Shopping is fairy tale, but I don't wanna wake up in this dream. Baby, ayoko umasa sa paniniwala. May pag-asa nga ba?
Favorite color?
Apa.
Okay. Ikaw ba gusto mo rin bang maging fan, maging model paglaki mo?
Apa.
Definitely. Kasi outfit mo pala, para ka ng model. So for today, what's your talent?
Singing po.
Singing po. Okay, are you ready?
Apa.
Okay, let's have female participant 015.
When I was just a little girl, I asked my mother, what will I be? Will I be pretty? Will I be rich? Here's what she said to me. Yes, Sarah, whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Yes, Sarah. Nakatira sa Nuestra City!
Wow naman! Okay, gusto mo. Anong talent mo ngayon? Kasi ang ganda-ganda ng outfit mo eh. What's your talent?
Dance.
You're going to dance. Pero gusto mo rin ba someday, gusto mo rin ba maging beauty queen?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So you're going to dance for today. Ready ka na ba?
Opo.
Opo, enjoy your performance. Can we see you smile? Pwede ka mag-smile? Ayan, much better. Let's do this. Let's have female participant 016.
Sayaw kikay, sayaw kikay. Sayaw kikay, sayaw kikay. Sayaw kikay, sayaw kikay. Sino siya? Ang bangis niyang gumiling, ang bangis niyang gumiling, ang bangis niyang. Sino siya? Di na kayang pigilin, talagang mong pigilin ka. Para ka ba? Galing-galing ko, galaw na gusto ko. Sige, igiling mo.
Baby girl, just move if you wanna, shake if you wanna. Sige, alugin mo, do what you wanna, twerk if you wanna. Kabog lahat ang nakatingin, shawty, why you so fun? You got it from your mama, ass like coke, taas hanggang baba. Alam ko naman, palabang ka talaga.
today?
Dad.
Dance! Okay, ready ka na?
Yes.
You seem excited, tama ba?
Yes.
Okay, so kailangan enjoy your performance, alright?
Okay.
Okay, let's have female participant 017.
Ang puso ko'y magkabigay. Nahiwalag sa lamig, kailan ba niya aaminin? Kanyang tunay na pag-ibig. Nahiwalag sa lamig, ano bang dapat gawin? Bakit ang puso'y napilit? Salamin sa dingding na salang pag-ibig. Salamin sa dingding, pwede mo ba sanhin?
Mariah Janelle C. Hasareno.
Mariah! Oh, parang yung singer and dancer lang si Mariah. Singer and dancer. Mariah Carey, singer lang. Okay, ang ganda-ganda naman ang outfit mo for today. Meron ka bang favorite girl group?
Apa.
Okay, let's have female participant 019.
We are the best, the coolest girl I know. Superior than all the rest, the star of my show. So many times I wish to be the one for me. Model po.
Mamodel ka po? Wow, nagmamodel daw siya. Okay, so today pakita mo sa amin kung gaano ka kagaling magmodel. Okay po?
Apa.
Sige po, let's have female participant 029.
Are you ready?
Hey!
My name is Joflor Gabriel Gonzalez San Antonio.
Okay, may tatanong ako sa'yo. Anong tawag nila sa'yo? What's your name? Anong tawag nila sa'yo sa bahay? Anong tawag sa'yo sa bahay?
Gabi.
Okay, Gabi. Tama ba, Gabi? Sige, Gabi, may tanong ako sa'yo. Anong favorite food mo? Anong favorite food mo? Hindi ka kumakain? Hindi, kumakain daw siya. Anong favorite food mo?
Palabo.
Oh, palabok. Very good. Kumain ka na ba? Okay, very good. Sige, ano po gagawin mo today?
Dadance.
Magda-dance. Okay, ready ka na, Gabi? Okay, sige. Let's have male participant 028.
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Hey, sexy lady. Oppan Gangnam Style. Hey, sexy lady. Oppan Gangnam Style.
Right?
Opo.
Okay po. Timothy, alright. So for today, pwede bang relax ka lang? Inhale ka, anak. Inhale. Exhale. And then smile ka sa lahat. Yan. Okay, much better. Okay. Sige. Timothy, what's your talent?
Dance.
Magda-dance. Siguro favorite mo din mag-dance.
Opo.
Sino po lagi mong kasama mag-dance?
Mama.
Si Mama. Sige. Ready ka na? Are you ready?
Opo.
Okay, enjoy your performance, ha? Alright, let's have male participant 036.
Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh, shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinagama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat araw sumasaya, magmula nang nakita ka. Wala lang pangamba, pag-ibig kapil na. Feels like someone I'm with you. Parang islang pagkopiko. Can't wait to go back with you. Parang islang pagkopiko.
Okay. Kilala mo ba kung sino yung outfit mo for today? Sino po yan?
Princess Jasmine.
Si Princess Jasmine. Favorite mo rin po siyang Disney princess?
Opo.
Gusto mo rin po maging Disney princess?
Yes.
Yes po. Sige, for today, ano po ang talent ni Princess Jasmine?
Dance po.
Magda-dance si Princess Jasmine. Okay, sige, dapat mag-enjoy si Princess Jasmine, tsaka dapat nakasmile. Okay ba yan? Sige, let's have female participant 0 to 4.
Oh, kalma, if you wanna shake if you wanna take it again, again, again. Kalma, if you wanna twerk if you wanna kabila.